In this video we are going to be drilling and tapping the top assembly together. We will cut a keyway in the shaft and bore out and broach the disc to take the three handles. Here we've clamped the plates together in the vise with the centre shaft through the middle to help line them up, and then we're going to drill through with the pistol drill, and then we'll pull it apart and tap it out to M8. So we've moved now back into the lathe, and we're going to mill the 6mm keyway into the shaft. We have a collet adapter set up through the headstock, and we have a milling vise set up on the tool post so that we can machine our keyways in the lathe and we don't have to use a milling machine. Now we've got the 100mm block in the lathe, We're going to face the front off, turn a little shoulder on it, and then we're going to flip it round and machine the other end as well. Now we're up to drilling, so we're going to drill the centre out, ready for boring, and then we're going to bore it to be a real nice fit on the 30mm shaft. Just boring the centre out and then polishing it up with a bit of sandpaper just to get it to the final dimension, ready for broaching. So we're all set up now, and the next step is we're going to be broaching the bore, which we've just finished turning to 30mm, and we're going to broach it to take the keyway that we machined a few steps ago. So this is a first for me. I've never broached on a lathe before, so what I've done is I've machined up a piece of tool steel. It's the same width as the keyway, and because the chuck turns a little bit, it's got a little bit of play in it. I've set up a control measure here with my my dial test indicator, so that I know if I do move it accidentally I can just reset it back to 0 and we can carry on our cuts. So I'll get you in for a few close-ups and show you what's going on.